Thutha wa mateta ma ihinda kuma kuri muingi megie passport ciao guikara itacabithitio na mwe augwitio mahaki ni abitha ruhonge-ini rwa uthami, Minista wa UGITIRI wa THIINI Profesa KITHURE Kindiki ni athiete na mbere kuhinyiriria thirikari ndi kuhumuka nginyagia ruhonge ruru rurungare. Agicera wabici-ini ici nyumba-ini ya NYAYO ari thikũ ya keri kirumaniririo, Kindiki ni atariirie mitaratara iria marĩire niguo kuhitana na muthianiriro wa passport iria itarikitio gucabithio, akiranira ni igukorwo irikitio gucabithio kwa ihinda ria ciumia 2 ciukite.
The issues of bribery, solicitation and corruption involved very few people here, and many of them are members of the public who are pretending to be our officers, but they are just brokers from town and criminals. Even among our staff from the immigration and also our staff from the National Police Service who work here to support the work going on here, the majority of them are doing a good job.
Ungumania ni umwe wa maria merikanite magumire ruhonge ruru na njira nene. Abitha matiganite makirikana gwitia mahaki niguo macabithie passport cia muingi, Kindiki akiro makeni gutheria ruhonge ruru.
The few members of staff, the few officers who may be tempted to try and roll back what we have started here, we will make sure that they don't succeed. And the same energy, the same commitment, the same consistency we have employed in dealing with other long-standing security challenges, we'll apply the same energy, the same vigor in the fight against cartels and corrupt people who have been trying to use their space to frustrate the people of Kenya.
Mabroka marerikana nio makoretwo makihuthika gwitia muingi mahaki niguo mamukire motungata na ihenya. Riu Kindiki akiuga andu matari wabici-ini ici hatari na gitumi matiritikagirio kuingira.
Until we get additional staff members, most likely the production is going to be in the same level, and that's why we were estimating, going by the speed that we are at, 14 days from now the backlog will be over, and going forward we start now implementing the 7-day policy, and even in that policy leave the room for emergencies, which should be not more than 24 hours.
Muthenya wa ira mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya uthami na motungata kuri a Kenya Julius Bitok nyarekirire mukode ungumania uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere ruhonge-ini ruru, nona gukiri uguo arauga thirikari nitacukitie makinya ma kutheria gukinyaniria na riu andu ana nimaikitie ngono magikuruhanio na gwitia muingi mahaki niguo macabithirio passport na ihenya.